see your house. C-Chan, you can go inside. So many balls there. You can go inside. See you.
Alright, light bulb, the time is already up. Please make your exit.
C-Chan, your hand.
The one for baby. We go.
Okay, so just to let you guys know that this is the last gallery,
And after this is the exit already, okay? There's going to be a lot of flashes of light, so we advise all the guests to just walk slowly at the center of the passageway so that your eyes get used to the flashes of light. Because other guests feel dizzy when they pass through here, and other guests feel like it's falling down as well. So we need to make sure everybody is safe, alright? And not touching up lights, girls, okay? We're gonna let you in, alright? When you're ready. And the bags, if you have, try to put it at the front so that we don't accidentally hit the lighting. Alright? No running, okay? Alright, sir. Thank you.
Center only. No, don't touch.
The light is in your back. Honey, this looks like it's very high. See, Chen? And why are you scared? This is just light. Uh-huh. Si Chen, no. So how? You enjoy, ah? See you? You enjoy, ah?
Rainbow
there, God. Mama, are we going home?
Yeah.
Why? I don't want to go home.
Enjoy, ah? You go?
I don't want to go home.
No ticket.
We see again. Oh my god! Wow! Not nice the feeling.
I think I go inside see what we can buy, then we can eat somewhere here.
Time check. It's 2:20, 2:26. It's going to 2:30. Gutom na kami, guys. Ha?
Go in there 11:30.
11:30, so... So, pinakain namin yung dala-dala namin ng mga food, guys. So, we're on the way to IKEA. Bibili ako ng candle para sa aking Mama Mary din. And then, punta kami ng Giant. Sa harap niya lang. Yan, doon mag-grocery kami. So, that's it for the day. Yeah, we have to go. See you again, guys, in our next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago namin videos. So, bye! Hope to see you again sa sunod namin video, guys. Bye! So, say bye!
Bye.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,